the corner on my building because he's refusing to leave. Yeah. No, I'm outside on the corner. With the camera? Yeah, I would appreciate that. Okay, I'd appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, on first Street. Correct. He's an Asian guy, about 5'8", about 155 pounds. And they're putting a camera on me right now too. So let's do it. Let's do a camera. They're gonna record me. Let's do it. Hang on. Yeah, they're recording me right now. All right. Oh, really? Okay. Okay. Thank you. Black and white shirt. His license plate number is. It's a Jeep Cherokee Wrangler. White and black. I don't know, but Garrett? He's probably about 40, maybe 41. Yeah, he's right here. Chris. Thank you, I really appreciate it. Thank you. They'll be right here. Enjoy.
I'll be here. All right, guys, so this gentleman just called the cops saying that I'm droning at him and his apartment. He's feeling uncomfortable. Obviously, that's not where I'm droning at. I'm not even droning anywhere near here. I'm droning the site over there. This is the construction site that I've been hired as drone, and that's what I'm doing. So, yeah, I'll be here again tomorrow and the next day droning the same exact thing. So I'm just waiting on the cops. Meanwhile, loading up the second mission for a scan, and we'll go from there. July 17th. My name is Chris.
That's a good name. Hey, if you came out here and I asked you to leave, you asked me to leave, I wouldn't think twice about it.
Really?
Yeah, I would just
okay.
leave.
So you came up here and asked me just to leave. You actually didn't even say leave. You said get the out of here. That's what you told me.
I did.
So mind you, and I appreciate that. I can understand this can make you uncomfortable. You didn't ask who I was here with. You didn't ask what I was doing. You just said, hey, do you have a drone? Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
Okay?
You're right.
And so we could have been civil about it, but you wanted to go in and use profanity and call the police. So at this point, I mean, I'm over here filming for these guys. Engineering is building 30 units over here, and I've been hired to go ahead and drone this.
Okay.
Okay. So I have a mission to do that.
Okay.
Not only that, I'm a licensed pilot and a licensed drone pilot.
Okay.
So legally, I could be here. I'm not on your property.
I understand.
So
why don't you go park in the parking lot, dude?
Well, I could even park in there.
Yeah, park on the property then. Don't park in the apartment building.
But
it makes you uncomfortable. You want to make people uncomfortable?
Sure, I understand that.
My dad was uncomfortable when he drove out. I'm uncomfortable. People in the building are uncomfortable. I'm telling you, these guys are uncomfortable. This building is the most biggest building in the city.
And that's fine.
And they've had so much over this project. If I tell them that you're doing drones right here, they're going to fucking kill you.
Please do.
The city will.
Please do.
They'll knock you out, dude.
Please do.
Did you read the paper?
Please do.
Go get the Sun newspaper about the project.
Okay.
Learn about it. Learn about all the politicians here.
That's not my job.
Learn about it.
That's not my job. But I'll tell you what I am here to do is I'm here to do a job. I'm here to earn a living for me and my family. So that's all I'm doing.
So
if you want to sit there and say, oh, you feel uncomfortable, I'm more than happy to show you the footage that I'm capturing. I'm more than happy to go over that.
I don't care about that because I can walk in there and you can take footage here. I don't care. It's privacy.
Sure. But if you're out in the public, sir, then you have privacy within your home. Yeah. Absolutely. Yeah. But if I'm here and I'm videotaping,
so go down on the site. If you're working for them,
I need to get visual line of sight.
How you doing, guys? So I came with my dad. This guy's on a drone flying around. I'm uncomfortable. I live right here. So I asked him to leave.
Actually, sir, that wasn't the words he used. He told me to get the out of here.
Yeah,
that's what he told me.
I felt like he's invading my privacy. My dad. He works for the company that's using the project, so don't park in the lane, dude. Don't park right here an apartment building flying drone around. Amazon. They're doing business.
Thank you, sir. I don't have a card, no.
You see him for that business card? Just leave him alone. No, I know. I just want to, because here's the thing. Okay, all right.
I was just approached as I was doing the ortho mosaic map. I was just approached by one of the neighbors here who basically told me to get the F out of here. And I mean, that was the first thing out of his mouth, which was crazy. And I just told him, he was like, I'm gonna call the cops. And I said, you know, do what you gotta do, call the cops. And so I started recording when he had came back out and called the cops in front of me. But when the cops came, he basically told them, you know, to leave me alone, which was crazy. And he came back and asked for my business card, which I wasn't gonna give him. I was gonna provide him with. And you know, he's just kind of telling me, you know, look up the project and you know, do your homework. And I was like, that's not my job, man. My job is to sit there and to take these pictures. That's about it. But long story short, man, it's pretty insane when you know, the type of job that I'm doing, when people sit there and don't know about the drones that you fly, and you know, they get really anxious about, you know, their privacy and such. I'm parked here on a public street, not even taking pictures or even hovering over their property. I mean, I can understand people's concerns, and you know, it's a new technology and people get kind of frightened by it. But man, this guy just came out, and I just wonder, you know, would anything change if I wasn't, you know, Filipino, or if I was out here with more people, like with a crew. You know, would the situations change? And I don't know. I guess that's something that we'll have to kind of wait and see. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to sit there and say a few words about what had just happened. And thanks for tuning in. Catch y'all next time. Peace out.